Alright, Section 3, Air Conditioning and Refrigeration, Chapter 2, Recommendations and Specification for Refrigeration, Part 1, Cooler Specification, Mechanical Refrigeration, Water Cooler Units. The specification cover the electrical mechanical refrigeration apparatus for the drinking water only to combine the drinking water of the bottle cooler and combined unit of the food storage drinking water purposes of the railroad passenger train. Material and workmanship. All materials used in the construction apparatus must be west of the respective kinds for the purpose intended, but the workmanship must be high quality in every respect. See details. Design the cabinet should be the two basic design files. One design shall not be more than 20 inch wide, with the 80 inch deep, with the 50 inch height. Include the compressor condenser compartmentally in bottom of the cabinet, the pressure type of the water chiller, and the above alcove faucet in front of the insulated with the floated food compartment having capacity with approximately 1.75 cubic feet below the side of the faucet, including when required an electrical hot plate steam cooker mounted on or built on the top of the cabinet in such a location so facilitate it. The second basic design should not be more than 14 inches wide, 14 inches deep, 60 inches high, or less food compartment. The hot plate with the steam cooker when specified with including the baby bottle compartment above the faucet, not less than 12 inches high, 10 inches wide, 5 inches deep, motor-driven circulating water pump mounted, but the compressor compartment should also provide with the specified either design external piping. The wire connector should be readily accessible to facilitate removal of the entire cabinet. C3, the cabinet should be with welding construction with using 18-gauge stainless steel for the interior and exterior casing of the framing of the merge shall be rolled with the section of the copper bearing steel and zinc grip steel. The unit shall be securely attached with the floor means of the 4 3/8 of an inch bolt placed on the car structure with the 2 3/8 of an inch bolts located near the top of the unit. The hardware shall be the best grade plated with the food compartment at the bottle cooler door latch shall be snap to action type. The hinges shall be heavily duty type. The heavy type of the plates shall be provided with a securing hinge, and the latch of the compressor compartment door that shall have the pencil pushing type. Installation of the food compartment. The bolt cooler shall consist of approximately 2.5 inches thick of the cork board approved the equal on the floors, side of the walls, ceilings, and insulation shall have the good stability against the settling the outside surface of the cork to be sealed with a hydroline and improve the equal to keep out the moisture. The door of the food compartment of the bottle core should be the overlapping constructed with the 18-gauge stainless and installed with the same manner as the sidewall shall be equipped with the rubber tubular section door seal. The compressor compartment door shall have the door with switch with the able capacity to interrupt the power of the condenser compressor onto the unit door open with the safety moving the parts for the unit service. C7 of the drinking water compartment containing with water chiller and storage tank shall be insulated with approximately 2.5 inches of the ground cork completely sealed with hydroline and approved equally. The compressor compartment shall contain either the air-cooled receptacle reciprocating type of the Freon, a compressor, the commercial type of the sealed unit. The reciprocating type of the compressor shall have the splash type of lubrication bead arranged with the V-belt drive with the means of the belt adjustment bead driven by the grease and sealed with the bearing motor capability continuous operation of the full loaded under any condition without exceeding the thermal rating of the motor. These units shall be air-cooled condensers through the fin air tube type designed for the rapid heating dissipation with a suitable fan uniform distribution open the condenser. The equipment shall be supported with the suitable mounting properly arranged quite ruggedly in a continuous operation. The condensing of the unit with the water chilling shall be rated with the capacity of not less than 1,500 BTUs per hour at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Ambient temperature provided with a minimum of 2.5 gallons of water per hour cooled by the 110 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit with the compartment of the bottle cooler specified with the condensing unit shall be rated with capacity not less than 1,500 BTUs per hour with 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The ambient temperature provided with a minimum of 2 gallons of water per hour cooled by these from 110 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintain the temperature of the food in the bottle of the compartment at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If sealed with the provided with the sealed protection shall be heavy and steel and construction suitable for the railroad surface to be equipped with the safety device preventing any possibility of pressure within the breaking of the case of the liquid receiver. If used, it shall be an ample capacity of all normal requirements. The compressor condenser compartment shall have the suitable filter having ample dust lint holding the specific capacity installed with the filter air with the condenser. All equipment mounted with the compressor condenser compartment must be arranged with a facility inspection to the surface that is permit with the removal of the separate parts with removing entire cabinet other parts. C9, the evaporator food compartment of the bottle cooler shall be the gravity water wraparound type. The evaporator of the drinking water shall be chiller shell and tube type. The copper refrigerant tubing bond. The tank approved with equivalent construction and sufficient efficiency heating exchange. All copper tubing shall be type K. Expansion valve of the equipment shall be automatic type. The constant pressure valve shall be provided with the specified adjustment. The refrigeration control must be mounted readily accessible location or range to produce the conditions of the outline with the C8 with the high level low pressure control provided the motor electrical control shall be protected with the necessary flow using the circuit breakers as specified by the railroad. C14, the storage tank, when specified, shall have the capacity of approximately 1 gallon. If the bubbler is specified with the pre-cooler approved of the type, that should include the cold wastewater, may be used to chill the warm inlet water, therefore increasing the efficiency capacity of the unit. Unit should be provided with the prevent the bursting of the unit to prevent the freeze and event of freeze-up. C15, the faucet shall be no drip, no splash type with easy, sturdy push-button action. Should the located stainless steel alcove, which shall have the drain of range easily clean. 617. The hot plate, when specified with the shell, be 8 inches in diameter, 1,000 watts to 1,200 watts. Arranged with the voltage specified with the control with the 4-position 3-heat flush for heater switch. The top plate shall be a special alloy, which will not warp, crack, or buckle. The element shall be made of nickel chromium alloy employed with the refractory in contact with the underside of the plate. A sheeted element with the ring type is considered as an alternate heating of those elements with the stand potential of the test of 1300 volts of the AC for 1 unit. The steam cooker would specify with the 8.5 diameter, 6.5 inch deep, equipped with the approved type of the 1/4 inch steam control valve with a 3/4 inch drain valve, both operative at the front of the cabinet. Commercial standard CS and 12714 for the self-contained mechanically refrigerated drinking water couplers issued National Bureau standards that shall be filed with the general terms and so far the applicable. C19, when any requirements of specification does not meet the municipal or state requirements, such municipal state requirements shall be governed. The the bidder should submit his proposal full description of literature, apparatus, including the dimension drawings, schematic wiring drawings. The successful bidder shall furnish the detailed maintenance instruction together with a catalog of repair parts guarantee. The manufacturer shall guarantee the condensing unit will produce the refrigeration effectively outlined in section C7 with the power input voltage not to exceed the given his proposal. Inspection test. The refrigeration cooling apparatus furnished with under these specifications subject to inspection size with the presented with the rail company acceptance material at the factory shall not mediate against rejection of the material that event provisions of these specifications are not met fully the system installation of the car. Exemption. If the bidder does not comply with these specifications, he must give the complete detail of all exemptions. Part 2, Food Preservation, Plugs, Receptacles, Mechanical Refrigerator Cars. The recommended with the plugs, receptacles, the refrigerator cars equipped with mechanical refrigeration, the AAR standards as shown in Section 3, 151, 152, 153, Electrical Section Manual. Due to specific limitation or other conditions, it may be necessary to find the fixed receptacles, alternator, compressor, motor, whether there is necessary to internal portion of such receptacle such that still conform to the AAR standards. Chapter 3, Inspection Maintenance of the Air Conditioning Equipment. Part 1, Electromechanical Recommendation Practice and Inspection Maintenance of Electrical Mechanical Air Conditioning Equipment.